medical emergency response team is a resource activated by CAL FIRE to CAL FIRE incidents around the state of California when needed to provide emergency medical support at an incident.
It's staffed by a physician and 2 registered nurses. That's provided by the incident. Our employees come down, our doctor and our nurses, and they're staged here right behind our area.
We typically provide support for our incarcerated firefighters as our primary mission, and we also provide support to CAL FIRE staff and free staff or National Guard staff that are activated to an incident as needed. We're staffed with enough people to manage those cases.
They will provide any of the medical needs to any of our incarcerated firefighters.
We provide broad spectrum medical care as a mobile urgent care facility. We can provide stabilizing medical care for acute injuries. We can provide treatment of infections and abscesses, and we also supply a broad variety of first aid support to our staff to keep people active and on the fire line rather than have to go to emergency departments and urgent care settings.
The minor things that we have treated on this incident are things like exposure to poison oak, or some scratches and cuts from, they do use chainsaws and hand tools to remove brush and branches and down trees, and so it's inevitable that you're going to get cuts and scrapes from that type of work.
Hopefully they would be triaged appropriately if they had severe injuries.
They'll do the evaluation, they'll do the treatment, and if the doctor determines that our firefighter needs a higher level of care, then we will transport that firefighter to a nearby hospital. They have remote access out here to our systems just like we do, and so they have direct access to each firefighter's medical file. They know what type of medical history that individual has and how to best treat them. We don't have to go out into the community to a hospital and take up an emergency bed there to get our guys treated. We have our folks here, and it actually helps to keep this operation going more smoothly.